Hello, Leo. Welcome to your spirit animal reading for July 1st through the 10th. Can you believe it is July already? Stone People card is Kokopelli. The seeds we plant now will come to fruition if we care for them. Okay, and our spirit animal is the otter. Yay! Feminine energy and playfulness. And our sign and symbol is the forest, the standing people, and connection with nature, spending time in nature. A rune this week is the Dagaz rune, which is the rune of breakthrough and transformations. Yay! First stone is lapis lazuli, spiritual growth, clears the mind, brings openness and honesty, connects with higher ideas and thoughts, and connects with the angelic realm. Oh, and look, we got the standing people, roots and giving. So spending time in nature, and especially with the trees, is really important. That's going to ground us and give us the strength for anything that we need. Dear Spirit, ask you to bring a gentle touch, not only to others, but especially to yourself. And we have the star ancestor who tells us to follow the voice of your soul, not other people. Okay, our second stone is nephrite jade, inspiration, motivation, wisdom, and abundance. Yes. We have smoke signals and intent. Your intentions are incredibly important. You have to be very clear exactly what is it that you want. Badger Spirit says, be fearless and bold. Go for it. Once you get your intentions clear, go for it. The High Priestess says to harness your mystic powers, and you do have them. Okay, the third stone is red tiger eye. Confidence, self-esteem, motivation, high energy, vitality, and passion. That's awesome. Let's see here. Oh, and then we get the field of plenty. Your ideas and needs manifested. Awesome. That was through doing the work of setting your intentions and harnessing your powers. We have, oh, summer, bask in joy and light. Yay! And otter spirit, you are never alone. So, that was awesome reading. So if we follow the voice of our soul, and we don't have any negative self-talk or self-doubt, if we make our intentions clear, then good things are coming. And Sister Moon says, you and your loved ones are safe. That's always a big bonus. So I hope you enjoyed your reading. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.